Hey guys, what's up? It's King Fox here. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys which editing softwares are best for how many subscribers you have, how much money you're willing to spend, the amount of traction that you're getting, stuff like that. To get right into it, make sure you guys subscribe if you do like my content. You can always unsubscribe if you don't like me, which is totally understandable. Make sure you like the video if it does help you. The first one here is Wondershare Filmora, the best editor for beginners, and they're not sponsored. I'm not getting paid from them. I've used this program before. It was amazing when I used it. The really cool thing about this program is you can upload the video straight from the program, which I thought was really nice. Made it pretty easy, but still I would definitely recommend just going to the YouTube site and uploading it from there, because it's just way easier, get to set up things faster, and it just makes more sense. But this has a lot of things that you can do. You have video stabilization, split screen, color tuning, pan and zoom, green screen, and that's the thing that I was looking for the most: green screen, pan and zoom, and the audio equalizer. Because those are the things I use the most, especially the text. I didn't really use the screen recording because I had OBS. This was good too, but I didn't have to use it because I'm not a vlogger. But this is an amazing software, guys. I would highly recommend looking into it. It is free, but you have a watermark, and I think it's around $50, $60. I could be mistaken. So the next one is Vegas Pro, and if you guys don't know about Vegas Pro, it's been out for a while now. It's a really good software. This is the one that I use. I can go get it quick, which it should be over here. Vegas Pro 16, as you can see. So as you can see here, this is their website, and if you go to Vegas Pro, just Vegas Pro, you can see here, you can look down, purchase here, and yeah, that price is ridiculous. Luckily I got it on sale, and personally, I'm just going to say this right now: if you get like Vegas Pro like 17, don't upgrade to 18, because there's hardly any difference. That's how they get you. What I do like is that you could do the 365 package, pay each month $17 a month, which is pretty good. But obviously, you know, it kind of depends on your channel, how's it doing. And I would have never have gotten this if it wasn't on sale, and yeah, so just put this on your bookmarks, check for sales. They do sales once in a while. So the next thing, guys, this isn't a editing software, but I just wanted to show you guys this quick. So almost every creator has OBS, and if you don't, then I'd highly recommend installing it, because OBS is honestly one of the best free recording streaming softwares out there. But there's so much to do, so much to edit in here. I just wanted to put out there that for recording over here, for output and then recording, make sure you guys have 2 audio tracks on, one for your gameplay and then one for your voice, because if you don't, that's going to be very difficult to edit that. So say you cuss, or say you swear and you want to edit that out, or something, you can have it in the second audio track and then edit out of that, instead of editing out both the gameplay sound and the your mic sound, because that's really annoying. But there's a ton of stuff to do in here, and I would highly recommend watching some videos to make your quality that much better, especially with high level advanced gameplay, stuff like that. If you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below if this did help or not. And I'm really thankful for all you guys supporting me lately, and I will be trying to upload way more often. Anyways, guys, peace out, God bless.